In this video, I'll show you how to get one win coins. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I'll advise you create a professional one win account. To do that, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you're going to fill in your details, choose your currency, your phone number, your email address, and your password. Now, when you come to promo codes, you're going to use the promo code RENZO7. If you use the promo code RENZO7, one win is going to give you up to 500% bonus on your first deposit. This means that if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $500 as your bonus, and you can use to bet. Now, let's continue. So you want to get one win coins, all you have to do is to come over to free money. When you come to free money, scroll to the bottom, you can see various coins here. So you see, I've already gotten some coins. There are others you can get. You have to complete some tasks and then you can get the coins. For instance, this is a Telegram coin. If I verify your account and join the Telegram community, they're going to give me 200 coins. And if you do that on your own one win account, you're going to receive 200 coins. And that's it. Another way is by playing this free lottery every day. Every day, come over here and play this free lottery, and you're going to get one win coins. And that's how to get one win coin in one week.